Welcome to Garage Heads, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews, feature breakdowns, and the latest updates from the world of automobiles. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about SUVs of the year, the 2025 Mazda CX-90. This full-size SUV marks a bold move from Mazda, bringing luxury, performance, and practicality into a single, well-crafted package. Whether you're looking for a family-friendly ride or an upscale daily driver, the CX-90 makes a strong case with its blend of refinement and capability. At first glance, the 2025 Mazda CX-90 impresses with its sleek and commanding design. The exterior lines are clean and dynamic, complemented by a wide front grille and slim LED headlights that give it a modern and upscale appearance. The overall proportions are balanced and muscular, projecting confidence without being overly aggressive. Mazda has introduced a new color palette for 2025 that enhances the premium look, including a striking artisan red finish that has been catching eyes everywhere. Under the hood, the CX-90 offers a couple of powertrain options designed for performance and efficiency. The base model is powered by a 3.3-liter inline-six turbocharged engine, delivering robust horsepower and torque for a smooth, responsive drive. A plug-in hybrid version is also available, featuring a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, ideal for those looking to reduce emissions without compromising on performance. Both versions are mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission that shifts seamlessly, providing a refined driving experience. Inside, the CX-90 continues Mazda's tradition of delivering a driver-centric and premium cabin. The interior is a blend of high-quality materials, including Nappa leather, real wood trims, and aluminum accents that elevate the atmosphere. Seating is available for up to 8 passengers, with ample legroom in all 3 rows, making it a practical choice for families. The front seats are heated and ventilated, while higher trims offer massage functions and power adjustments with memory settings. Technology plays a big role in the CX-90, starting with a large 12.3-inch infotainment display that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system is controlled through a rotary dial, and while that might not be everyone's favorite method, it helps reduce distraction while driving. The digital instrument cluster and available heads-up display provide essential driving information in a sleek, easy-to-read format. Additional tech features include a premium Bose audio system, multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging, and a panoramic sunroof that adds an open, airy feel to the cabin. Safety is a priority as well, with Mazda equipping the CX-90 with a full suite of driver assistance features. Standard equipment includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, and rear cross traffic alert. The SUV also boasts impressive crash test scores, making it a reliable and secure option for any type of driver. In terms of practicality, the CX-90 offers generous cargo space, especially with the third row folded down. The rear seats are easy to access and adjust, and the power liftgate adds a level of convenience when loading and unloading. Fuel economy is competitive for its class, particularly in the hybrid model, making it not only powerful and stylish but also economical in the long run. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Mazda CX-90. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and don't forget to subscribe to Garage Heads for more reviews, feature breakdowns, and all things automotive.